Hi, my name is Layla and I work in product management, and I'm going to show you how to clean the laser unit. So first, we'll open the front panel, and using these green buttons, we'll remove the toner collection unit and place it aside carefully. On the back of the front panel, here we will find the cleaning wand. You can see that it has a pad on. If there isn't a clean one, you can find an extra cleaning pad on the top left corner of the toner collection unit. Once we make sure a clean pad is on the cleaning wands, we'll look for these green arrows under every toner. We'll put in the cleaning wand, pad down, and insert it in all of the way and bring it back out. And then we'll do that for each of the 4 toners. Once that is done, we'll place the cleaning wand back on the panel and put back the toner collection unit. Once that clicks into place, we'll close the front panel, and that is how you clean the laser unit.